Planet Zoo 2 had released the animals for this week, the fourth week that is, for the Zoopedia on Tuesday, but I held back on making the video because they had not released one animal among the eight that was supposed to release, and they had released it yesterday. That's the African leopard. So the new animals for this week are the African leopard, aardvark, blunt-head cichlid. This also confirms Lake Malawi, and then wildlife reserve, I mean ocean reserve based on that region. The fire salamander, it's an exhibit species, gemsbok, giant Malaysian leaf insect, Maasai giraffe, and the ocean sunfish. These are the animals that were released this week on Tuesday. Now, and for the next week, that is not the next week, on next Tuesday, 4 more days, we are getting five more aquatic species and four more terrestrial species. Now the thing is, the only in avian species, the only the secretary bird was released initially, and after that there was no release. I give me a hint that kind of there'll be more aquatic species at launch and lesser avian species, and maybe Frontier is still working on tweaking certain things in animation and behavior of the avian species. So I think we are getting at least 10 to 12 birds at launch, flying birds, aviary birds. So yeah, so terrestrial, flying, aquarium, and exhibit. Flying, there is the golden eagle, which is a deluxe edition, and the secretary bird. And we have aquarium, we have the cichlid, the ocean sunfish, hawksbill turtle, brown trout, humphead wrasse, blue and gold Fusilia, great hammerhead shark, longfin batfish, and four more coming next Tuesday. And we have exhibits, I mean, a lot of exhibits, and two more exhibits are coming next week. So, among the four terrestrial that were, I don't know what they're doing with this whole exhibit thing, but if they are like the way they were, I don't know, I'm not very excited. I think the animations and everything will be changed. We can make custom vivariums and terrariums and custom sizes, and we can decorate them accordingly. The way the exhibits were, I mean, and some models like this blue tongue lizard was pretty detailed, and there'll be fishes. I mean, these are not shoaling fish in that case. Okay, these are not shoaling fish, these are aquarium fish. The brown trout is also an aquarium fish. So these are exhibits, okay? These are exhibits, aquarium, but they are also under aquarium. I'm a little confused now. Like exhibit species can be released in normal habitats? Okay, wait. Oh yeah, all of them are there. So exhibit species can be released into normal habitats, right? Is the butterfly there? No, the butterfly is not there. In Now I can release this and this in the in a normal ocean reserve, or an habitat, aquatic habitat, but I cannot release a butterfly in a bird habitat, right? Something like that. It's all very tricky. Now let's leave this and let's go on to the leopard, because along with the release, they released the leopard yesterday, and along with the leopard they have released a video. I will just go to that. As you can see, this is the video. This is the normal leopard animation. We had seen this. This came as a free animal. I'm of course I'm excited about the leopard, but I am more excited about how the leopard behaves in the wild. This is in the habitat. I will go here. And this climbing behavior, this is amazing. See the leopard climbing down. So I think there'll be more animals which will be using this animation. This is fabulous. This is fabulous. I'll show you. So you can see the leopard climbing down. This is insanely good. This is so realistic, and this is the whole African jungle. You know, the ecosystem coexisting. Uh, this makes me so happy, because I feel that they'll be hunting also, because they have to eat something. Like the zookeepers cannot travel miles in jeeps and feed them. I think they'll be eating by killing. This looks so. This is an African wildlife reserve, and it, I'll actually show you this in the news section. You go to the news section of the Planet Zoo Game website, and here, if you read more, there are some things that makes me very excited. I mean, period is the animal reacts to environmental changes in between their routines. Example, finding shelter, escaping predation. That was not a thing in Planet Zoo 1 game. So now the animals, if they feel that another animal is trying to come and eat them, they'll flee. And this whole herding behavior, the size of herds, I mean, this is a very good read. I think I should make a different video on this creature feature. Uh, this is a lot of information. You can go ahead and read it. So I am excited about it, and of course, I am also very excited about nine more animals coming, of which two will be exhibits. Now I know that. Two will be proper terrestrial animals, and four will be aquatic. I don't know if any one of these might be exhibit aquatic or a proper habitat exhibit. I have no idea. So let's see. So far so good, I think.